Hello guys, so today we are going to show you how you can easily create your own account on the DigitalOcean.com website. So as you can see here on the website, we have three different ways that we can sign up onto it. So we have email, Google, or GitHub. So for today I'm going to use my Google account to sign up. So once we are here, we'll just click on sign up with Google, and here I will choose my account. Now once you do this, it will ask you to do a identity verification in order to say you're not a bot. So here, as you can see, I have to rotate this animal to be on the same angle as the hand on the other side. So that should be like this. And then once again, and as you can see, I have completed the verification. Now we go on to the registration itself. So here, it will ask us, so what do you plan to build on DigitalOcean? And as you can see, AI, a website. So you choose here whatever you actually need. So I will go website. What is your role or business type? I will just say e-commerce. What is your monthly spend on cloud infrastructure? Here also you just put your figures. How many employees work at your company? Same. And how do you prefer to manage cloud resources? And also you here pick whatever suits you, and then we click on submit. And here, in order to verify your identity, they are going to ask you for some payment options, so either a card or to connect your PayPal. I'm just going to click on connect PayPal, and once you do that, here they will ask you for a prepayment. So prepayment, as you can see, it's priced differently, and it's giving you what every option is for. So once you pick the option that you want, you just have to click here onto the PayPal button, and it will charge you, and you will have successfully created your account. So that's everything that this process takes. So thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.